You was there for me when I needed you. You taught me a lot of things I needed to know. You even gave me material things, but little did I know that I couldn't have you. All I wanted was you. I wanted a husband, someone to value me and to take me for the person I was. You bought me everything that I needed, from shoes to clothes. Sometimes you'd go on the road. You told me that, oh, I saw something special and I bought it for you today. I know there are many men who don't possess those qualities that a woman is looking for. But you was chasing other women. You was like the dog who had the bone and let it go because you saw a bigger bone. You came back. When you came back, I was a fool to take you back. Little did I know that you was here to stay. But guess what happened? Oh, he left the second time. Oh, I cried and I weep, knowing that the man I love I could not have, he gone to somebody else. Oh. And after 16 years, and he searched and he searched and he could not find anyone else. He came back and wanted to make me his wife. I held onto myself and I said, no way, that is not going to happen. That is not going to happen. I hug myself and I tell myself, I am better than this.